Alright, 2 more boxes of limited for Mikescca 2013. Good luck. Looks like Cornelius Carradine, numbered out of 49, Spotlight, Phenom rookie. Jake Locker, Stevie Johnson, Travis Kelce, Robert Alford rookie auto, numbered out of 299. Manti Te'o, jumbo jersey, a lot of stitching and seams and stuff going through the middle, to 199, and a redemption silver spotlight, Giovanni Bernard silver spotlight auto. That's pretty nice. Did a patch auto, probably to 49 on silver, right? Nice one there. Box 2. Premium Series 2. Not for a long time, I'm sure. Gotta accumulate a ton more cards, man. Gotta start buying up cards again. Ripping some cases. Another fat. There's a big boy pack again. You got an extra hit in this one. It's got 4 hits. Or maybe it's got one of those visor cards. Jonathan Stewart to 49 spotlight. Brandon LaFell, Matt Schaub, Aaron Millette. Yep, the visor card. Michael Griffin Field Vision. Get a little piece of acetate in there on the visor. Field Vision. Old school patch. Randall Cunningham, 11 out of 25. Very cool. Randall Cunningham, Minnesota Vikings. Yeah, that thing looks like a patch, that visor card. Larry Fitzgerald jersey, number to 99. And Ryan Nassib to 99. There you go. Thanks again, Mike.